Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video gonna be an unboxing video of, guess what, my new iPhone 11, which is finally here. So I'm so excited, and in this video I have Ira with me, and so let's unbox the phone. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and
comment.
So let's start. So here's the phone. So let's see. Ta-da! Finally, my new iPhone in purple. So I got the 64GB, and let's unbox this. I'm not good at unboxing videos. So let's see. Oh, finally, I have opened this thing. Let's see. What is this? And this sound, I love it. I love this sound. This sound of the new weapon. And let's see. We're gonna open it. Are you ready? Oh, I got a new phone. Look how pretty it is. I love this. Do you like it?
Yes.
And let's see. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, literally. And so what we have in the box? We have some paperwork. I don't need this paperwork. Okay. So here, oh, oopsie. Here we got, not AirPods, the normal hands-free. Okay, so in the box we have charger dock, and the charging lightning cable. That's it. Who needs this box? No one. Kidding. So this is the phone. I'm gonna open it. I know I'm overreacting, but you know what, guys, literally I'm so excited. I'm very excited. And do you want to say anything, Ida?
No.
She's shocked. She is shocked to see me, how I am reacting. You know what? I am an iPhone lover. I have an obsession. I love this part. Oh, sorry. It is from this side. Look at this. Oh, how clear it is. I loved it. And let's just turn it on. If you guys enjoy the video, till then, bye bye. Bye, Ira.
Bye.